We're looking at video number 5, Waka Waka, of your easy open 4-chord jams. It's going to sound something like this. Now I started using a plectrum for this, but I'm almost tempted to prefer my fingers, and I'll get this. So don't really mind fingers or pick whatever makes you happy, but before we get going I just want to walk you through the 4 basic chords as on the diagrams. Nice easy chords in the sequence. You're starting with a D followed by an A. Now I prefer swapping fingers 1 and 2 around for A because I have chubby little fat fingers, so this is how I play A, but a lot of players prefer this still. So D, my version of A, B minor, which is going to be finger 1 in the 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and both of those in the 4th. And again, if you're not sure of what the diagrams look for, or look like rather, just pause the video, you can see my fingers clearer. And G, I prefer this with fingers 3 and 4, even though the diagrams I've used show just the finger down like that. That's the more common G, but this particular way seems to be getting more popular. So try that, not too worried about that. It's more about the strumming and getting to be good with our basic rhythms and basic chords, and be able to play some cool songs, easy songs, fun songs, without having to learn lots of careful different structures. Here we go, strumming time. Now this song is just insanely fast, and it starts with a downstroke, using a pick this time. After the downstroke, you'll notice there's a up, down, really close together. So it's that speed, up, down, but twice the speed. And if you look at that, there's another group of up, down. So it's twice in a row, and it finishes off with a very fast. So all the arrows that are close together are very quick in succession. So that strumming pattern, slow motion, should sound like this. With me, 2, 3, 4, and like I said earlier, I prefer using fingers for this, so I'm going to show you through the fingers. Notice I don't strum with my thumb. I don't do this because my thumb is sort of quite heavy. My first finger is much more lighter and I can get much more speed with it. So if you're using fingers, and you can see the movement there, it's a little bit of wrist, a little bit of hand, but majority of the finger going across it. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and easy. So I'm going to zoom out now. We're going to take you through all 4 chords. Now just quickly before I do that, at the beginning of the song, when she starts singing You're a Good Soldier, fighting the battle for the whole soccer theme that they had going there, she starts it off with just 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3. So it's just basically one strum per chord at the beginning of the song. And then as the tempo starts picking up, it then goes into this very quick. And one last thing before we get going, when you play the D, play from the 4th string down for the D. When you play the A, from the 5th, from the B minor, the 4th, and from the G, all 6. Okay. Let's get going. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's a very simple, very straightforward song. The guitar is there. There's a nice little lead solo that they do as well, but we're not going into that. We just want to get the basic rhythms and chords and strumming patterns working for you. Hope you enjoyed this one. We'll see you on the next one with I Ain't Worried by One Republic.